Alright, so I just got a startup of my neighbor's 1998 1.5 ton York central air conditioner. Yeah, took me over an hour. I got sidetracked down there, sorry. I don't know. It's whatever. I got it. Mine's all sweaty down there. It's a 1998 1.5 ton. Here it is. It's running like awesome. R22 up there, as you can see on the top. This is just going to be start up and run. Fan might still be in reverse, I don't know, but yeah, anyways. Yeah. Finally, I freaking got an actual freaking startup of this thing. It's been so long. Anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.